everyone. So yesterday I went to Michael's searching for new paper pads. I went straight to our favorite area with all the stamps and everything that is new in paper crafting. And actually, when it comes to recollections, I just browsed through the paper pads. There wasn't really much there that was new to show you. Plus, the prices were kind of too high, like 19. As you can see here, $20 for each paper pad. So I skipped that, but I did find something amazing to show you. I've shown you before. Remember that brand Craft Smith? You can find in some Michaels, but I think most of them, they were $9.99. But do look online, and I will show you every paper pad that I will flip through for you here. I will make sure that they pop on your screen so you can buy it directly. Some of them I may not be able to find, but here is the brand Craft Smith. And what I'm going to do now is to basically just show you some of the ones that I really loved, like this one that I'm showing you right now. I'll flip through them, I'll play nice music, and just enjoy your video. Write down the ones that you want, but do check online because they were even half price. They were $4.99. Some of them are like $5. So check online to see if the one that you want is available. But do that, okay? So that's what I'm going to do now. I selected a few. I'm going to play a nice music for you. Enjoy. And if it pops on your screen, just click on it and you'll be able to buy directly, okay? So that's it. Enjoy your video, okay? Bye-bye.